Once you define your strata, you can then create your boring logs. So to create the boring logs, you can go to the takeoff tab, click on create boring log, and you'll give it a name. So let's say that our first boring is B1. We probably want to set it on a layer, so we'll call this let's go underscore boring information. Then we'll pick a location. So depending on where that boring happens to be, if I was to pick here, it picks the elevation from my original ground surface, and then I can come in here and define the boring log stratum. So here I have a couple different methods. I can do elevation, depth, or thickness. So if I was to do a depth, I could come in here and say that my sands are a 1 foot, and my clays are 2 feet, and my rock is down at 5 feet. So when I click OK to that, what's going to happen is I'm going to click apply, and you'll see that my strata surfaces adjust and it drops in that first boring. Now if I was to come over here, add a second boring, I could come in and define that information as well. Again, like I said, you can choose these methods. I'm just going to exaggerate this a little bit and put in some larger numbers so you can see the difference of what happens in the surface when I apply the second one. So you can see that it's making these adjustments accordingly to the data that I put in. So let's add a third one over here, and again with the depth, let's just do something even more drastic and apply that one. And you can see how the difference in the surface, or the surface, is being adjusted, and adding this boring information to adjust my my stratum surfaces here.